Many ERP projects begin with the phrase, just import the data, but items, customers, quotations, orders, deliveries, and invoices are not the same kind of data. If master data and transaction documents are designed as one thing, codes become duplicated, prices lose control, and reports become difficult to trace. This lesson uses real ERPNext 16 screens to separate the two categories. Step 1 defines master data. Master data describes business objects that the company reuses over time, such as items, customers, suppliers, warehouses, and accounts. The screen selects item. An item has a stable code, name, unit of measure, and business attributes, and many later documents reference it. The priority is consistent standards, duplicate prevention, and controlled maintenance, rather than creating new records every day. Step 2 shows how master data enters the system. The ERPNext data import tool selects item and downloads the current template. The file is cleaned according to field rules before upload. Test, import, and preview expose required field, type, and mapping errors. After import, the item list is checked with external identifiers and key fields. A spreadsheet is not the source of truth. The validated record inside the system is usable master data. Step 3 begins the transaction chain with a quotation. The quotation references an existing customer and item, then records the quantity, price, validity, and promise for this specific event. The submitted quotation on screen contains 5 units at 260 for a total of 1,300. A transaction therefore receives a new number and preserves when it happened, who handled it, and its status. Step 4 converts the quotation into a sales order. ERPNext does not create another customer or another item. The order keeps references to the same master records while storing the confirmed quantity, price, delivery date, and source quotation. Master data answers who and what. The transaction document answers what happened this time. A later item name change must not silently rewrite a submitted business fact. Step 5 creates the delivery note from the sales order. The delivery references the order and item and confirms that 5 units actually left the warehouse. It controls inventory execution, but it does not replace customer or item master data. Operations trace quantity and source documents, while data owners control codes, units, and active status. Those responsibilities should not be mixed inside one spreadsheet. Step 6 examines the sales invoice. It references the customer, item, order, and delivery source. The total remains 1,300, but the invoice recognizes receivables and revenue. Quotation, order, delivery, and invoice are not 4 status values on one row. They are 4 linked transaction documents with different responsibilities. ERP preserves that evidence chain. Step 7 applies the distinction to daily control. New items need duplicate, code, and unit checks. Transactions need price, quantity, permission, and approval checks. Period and reconciliation follow source fields and connections through the upstream and downstream chain. Do not change master data just to repair one order, and do not rewrite historical transactions only to rename an item. In summary, master data is a reusable business object governed for consistency and stability. A transaction document records a specific event and is governed by time, status, approval, and traceability. Manage item, customer, and supplier first, then let quotations, orders, deliveries, and invoices reference them correctly. That is the foundation for trustworthy inventory, receivables, and management reporting.